So, kailangan i-massage mo rin.
We're both consenting adults. We're both very good looking. You're better probably.
Para ayang lawas, baskin. Eh, kung dili mo kung mahilot, guys.
I realized quickly that there were two things happening. One is that the technology was going to be an enabler to improve existing businesses and existing operations. A lot of people are coming here talking about cryptocurrencies and coins. And yes, of course, those only exist because of the technology that underpins it. But from where I've come from, in a traditional finance
dito guys, dili to
the interesting sort of interface for me was when how could this new technology improve the existing legacy business, as we call it, or the traditional business. So I decided to set up a few companies, became an entrepreneur, and the two that are probably most relevant for this discussion are, one was around blockchain payments. You know, the whole world had been using the SWIFT network and the SWIFT system to be able to do cross-border payments and transactions. And that technology was around since 1970. And we're talking, now we're in 2024. And so 50 years, the world has only had one option because of the technology, and that was SWIFT. Now with the advancement of blockchain and the use of stable coins and the actual sort of improvement in KYC and AML.
Kailangan kayo mga misis, marunong kayo mag-massage din para tupuyo ninyong ba na balong mo. Massage. Ano na? Uy. Bukton.
Yes, sir. Okay, let's go. That means you too.
Marunong din kayong massage guys. Ang misis para hindi na masyadong maging mahina yung nyo, yung asawa. Galing sa trabaho, ma-massage niya siya para masig naman yung katawan. Ito yung kamay dito guys. Ganyan yung kamay. Ganyan. Balik naman kayo dito. Yan. Tigas. Ito yung apas na to guys. Ang rest. Kasi maanghang. Ano ba? Alang. Ganda massage. Di man makita. Lingkod ka diri. Diri ka.
Sakit ko? Sakit din ang diyan.
Ano? Gusto ko yun. Gusto. Ito yung kamay guys. Ganyanin yan yung kamay. Kasi ito yung pag ganyan yung price niyan. Usugod kayo na diri sa kamay. Kaya makamlay. Hirap.
この組あげればいい。これはこの組あげればいいじゃん。あれケーキと一緒じゃなかったんですか
Okay. Yang dito na guys.